I'm estimating again to begin. I'm sharing 2.4 into groups of 8. That's not good if I'm looking to get full groups of 8. Thankfully I'm not. There's no way I can make a group of 8 out of 2.4. So my estimate is definitely going to be less than 1. And I'm going to say it's pretty small. It's not even going to be close to 1. It's going to be a pretty small decimal. Okay, let's find out. The first number, the dividend, immediately goes inside. Decimal there is no problem. All I do is just recognise my answer will have a decimal in it. That's all good. My divisor 8 heads outside, and I choose short division because I know my 8 times tables. Here we go. How many 8s can I make from 2? None. Put that 0 up there. How many 8s can I make from 24? Well, 3 8s are 24 with no remaining. Nothing more to be shared. That's my answer there, 0.3. It is small. It's less than half, so that's not surprising that I was expecting it to be a pretty small decimal. So that's my final answer. It certainly matches my estimate. It's in that right ballpark. You can also check using fractions. Now if you try and write 2.4 over 8, that's a bit of an awkward fraction to work with. You can also choose to write each number as a fraction. So 2.4 is actually 24 tenths, and 8 is actually 8 ones, and I can divide those that way. So I can actually divide the fraction, those two numbers in fraction form. We know, I don't have a lot of room here. Let's see if I can move it up for you. We know that when we divide by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, or the multiplicative inverse, if you want to know that term as well. The first fraction doesn't change. Do not invert both fractions. It's only the second one to take into account that it's no longer dividing. I'm going to do some cancelling here. I can see some nice factors. These two numbers here, one numerator, one denominator, and any of them, if I'm multiplying, can be each divided by 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Now I'm ready to multiply because I can't simplify or cancel any further. 3 by 1 is 3. 10 by 1 is 10. My answer is 3 tenths or 0.3. And again, I can be really confident that I've done a good job because my estimates matching my algorithm and my double check with fractions.